I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects. This week, the house is getting a sports lounge. So we have our theme, which is baseball, but we also really want to make this a comfortable living room. It's up to Kevin and I to come up with the seating.
You know what would be cool? Is to have motorized recliners. Then no matter where the TV is, you pull up to it. Get yourself arranged where you want.
It's going to be an expensive project.
It depends on where you get your motors. It might not be expensive.
$300, new and used mobility scooters.
Holy, that's not cheap.
Maybe we need to start thinking a different way.
What if we used lawn furniture? We had probably every idea for couches known to humankind. At one point, we were going to hang them from the ceiling.
It's kind of cool, but it's still going to be in the way. Probably going to hang down to here, and it's going to look like...
It's going to look ridiculous.
What about making like a curved wooden pouch?
A sack?
An orb. A sack. Went several different ways, but we're on to something that I think is going to be really practical for us here.
What about scaffolding for furniture?
Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Nothing more comfortable than sitting on some scaffolding.
Hang off the side. Eventually we got to having them on scaffolding, which we kind of need around anyway. I like the industrial look of it, and it's a theme we can kind of play on.
Put an angle back, like, you know, in the sauna. You have that little thing that takes the 90-degree away. Put some cushions on them and try and arrange it so it's actually a really useful couch, and you can usually roll it around. I think the scaffolding seating is going to be awesome. It's maximum flexibility, and we also need the scaffolding as well. It's the comfort thing. We need to figure out how to make scaffolding comfortable.
The more comfortable and set up you are for sports, the more people get into the game, and that's what you want. You know, those moments, you want that.
We'll lead off the sports lounge by installing a new flat-screen TV. To protect it from Kevin's poor pitching arm, we'll encase it using repurposed barn board with an acrylic cover. For seating, we're going to dual-purpose some scaffolding to make our own custom-designed bleachers. We'll create a modular platform that'll act as seating, backing, and side tables. To stay on the sports theme, we'll use bases as cushions for the backrest.
Junior and I got some scaffolding. We have the makings of a really great sports lounge now. From holding my hand over a 13-inch TV to a 65-inch TV and this rolling scaffolding couch stuff, what a difference. What we're thinking is if we make a nice sports zone, it'll attract people, because the bars are a little too small if there's a crowd. Seriously.
That's good-looking scaffolding, boys. Brand new. Need some grapes to feed you.
Go home, team. Go home, team. What we decided to do is cheat our seating back a little bit and stay within the wheels, so I don't think it'll ever tip over this configuration.
Just like this.
I think it's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go cut this up. Just modified a couple of little gate brackets, and these are gonna help hold on the backrest. It'll pivot on the cotter pin that's already in the scaffolding right now. Come on, fit. We didn't compromise the structural integrity of the scaffolding at all with extra holes or anything like that. It's pretty good. Trying to line up one of the holes with a hole on an L bracket, tilted back so you're not sitting at a 90-degree angle. You've got a little bit of a lean back. Now we're just trying to do the same with the top. So I'm just making the end tables for our couches. They need to be able to fit underneath the rung of the scaffolding here so we can slide them in and out nice and easily. So I think this will make it. Eyeball, seems like it will. Want to put it back in, see how it works? Good. We were talking about baseball bases as the backrest. It kind of looks, you know, the sports theme. We put a whole bunch of baseball bases along and you can lean back against them.
This would be a sweet movie couch too. A nice pillow. Now it's movie night.
You're in calendar mode.
This is completely comfortable.
And we can make it higher too if we want to.
We could call these the nosebleeds.
We need some food. I'm starving. Hot dogs?
Wings. Hot dogs. Come on.
Steak in the bun, man.
Yeah.
Sweet couch.